Hi crafting family, Anna here again, and today we're going to be making these bows. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm starting this series I would like to call the Scrapbuster Series, where we find cute little projects for our scraps, and this is the first one of this series. So we're going to be making this bow. You want to print out your pattern or template. I'll link that in the description box, and then we are going to place that on our scraps and draw it out. Okay, so once we are done drawing, what we want to do is take our scissors and cut it out. The SVG file is also available, so if you have a crack cut machine, you just want to print it out and skip this process of drawing and cutting. So once I'm done cutting, I'm just going to clean up the pen stains before moving on to assembling my bow. So to start with, I'm going to fold over the edges of my bow and secure it with my trusty super glue. You can as well use any glue you feel would work, as well as this one. Just make sure that it holds together your bow and nothing is falling apart. So once you fold over, this is what your bow should look like. We are going to go ahead to insert our swivel hook. So we want to insert the band into the swivel hook as seen, and then you're just going to secure the edges at the back of the bow. Okay, now you want to make sure that it is centered. You want to make sure your band sits at the center of your bow, otherwise it's going to give it this weird look. So make sure that it's sitting at the center of your bow. Okay, so now that we have that done, it's going to look like this, and we're just going to do the final step, which is attaching the tails. So we want to make sure that the tail sits right at the middle as well, so everything can be properly aligned, and we'll secure that with our super glue once we find the right placement. I just have a little excess I'm wiping off. You have to be very careful if you're using super glue. This stuff glues your hand, glues anything, so you have to be careful when using it. And so here I made the tails overlap, but in my other bows I just made them sit closely together. I'm going to do the yellow, so just stay tuned, you see what I mean. Almost we're done attaching the tail. This is what our pretty bow looks like. So it's simple and easy, won't take you too much time, and they make cute keychains, accessories for your bags or whatever. So we're just going to run through the yellow bow real quick so you can see it done one more time. So while attaching the bow for the yellow piece, I made them sit close together, meeting at the middle instead of overlapping it the way I did to the brown. You can pick whatever method you like. They all look really nice at the end of the day. And this is what it looks like when you're done. It's pretty, it's cute, and it makes nice accessories. So this is our final look, guys. I hope you love it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you all in the next video. Bye.